Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. And it's the same process for both your mobile and PC. Now the first thing I want you to do is of course open up YouTube. And I want you to make sure you're actually signed in because that is the only way you can do this. Now once you're signed in, I want you to just come here at the top right and click on your profile icon. If you're on your phone, you'll have to go there at the bottom right, click on your profile icon. And if you're on your phone, you'll need to go ahead and click on settings. And then under general, you'll find restricted mode, right? Now on your PC, as soon as you click on your profile icon right here, you should see restricted mode. As you can see, it is on. You click on it. And then what you just need to do is go ahead and toggle it off. Literally that easy. And once you toggle this one off, we have turned off restricted mode. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.